Hi, this is Gary Rosowitz from Jake Marr. Today we're going to be talking about 510 button vapes and how to get the most out of them. So here we have the actual vape battery itself, the cartridge that you're going to plug into. This has CBD in it, and a recharger. So to get started, you basically connect the cartridge to the vape. This little screw connector is called a 510 connector, and this is the industry standard. It's everywhere. They're cheap. Just use them. Once we have the battery connected to the cartridge, we're going to press the button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that turns it on. The button has a few purposes. You turn it on and off with 5 presses. You adjust the heat with 3 presses. There's a low, a medium, and a high. So this is red, high. We're going to press it 1, 2, 3 times. Notice that it turns green. That's the low setting. Now we're going to press it 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. And then it'll turn blue, which is the medium setting. You should start on the medium setting. I always do. Because that gives you the adequate heat to vaporize the stuff, and yet it doesn't cook the oil. And the final purpose of the button is to simply press it when you want to vape. So I'm going to do that right now. We're going to press the button. And vape. And that's really all there's to it. Now we'll turn it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 presses to turn it off. Let's make sure it's off. Push it again. Nothing's happening. So we turned it on, adjusted the heat, took a vape, and turned it off. To recharge the vape, we're first going to unscrew the cartridge from that 510 connector. Then we're going to screw the recharging unit into the 510 connector. It's pretty handy, actually. Notice that the recharging unit is just a USB. Then we're going to plug that USB right into our charging block. Notice that the little light here turns red. That means that it's charging. When the battery is fully charged, it'll turn green. I usually charge it a couple hours a week. You want to keep these lithium batteries up near the top, not near the bottom. And that's it for recharging. Once you're done with charging it, you simply remove the block, unscrew it, and plug it back into your cartridge. All done. So to recap, in order to use our vape, we're first going to connect up the 510 connector. Just screw the cartridge right into the battery itself. Then we're going to press the button 5 times to turn it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's flashing red, but we want blue. We want the medium heat. So we're going to switch it from the red high heat. 1, 2, 3. Just toggle it down to the green low heat and toggle it again. 1, 2, 3. And that toggles it to the blue heat, which is what we want. We're going to use it. I'm going to press the button here and take a vape. Okay, I'm done with my vape. Now I'll turn it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 presses. Turns it off. It's off. And that's all there's to it.